Social Strategies for Engineering Success. Phil Bacon. Social media marketing strategies for engineering companies are crucial in today's digital era. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter have changed how brand visibility operates, which is essential in the competitive engineering market. Establishing a solid brand presence keeps firms at the cutting edge of innovation, building trust, and attracting collaboration. In this article, we will explore how engineering companies can use social media to increase the visibility of their brand and strengthen their position in the modern marketplace. The power of social media in boosting brand awareness. It is crucial to consider how social media can boost brand awareness for engineering companies. By providing a dynamic and collaborative platform that goes beyond standard advertising techniques, social media breaks through the limitations of traditional marketing. Unlike traditional marketing that includes one-way communication, social media enables brands and their audiences to interact in real time and have two-way discussions and quick responses. Real-world success stories highlight engineering companies that have tapped into social media's ability to increase brand awareness.
A few of them are:
a construction company increased its visibility by regularly posting project progress photos on Instagram, leading to better interaction and queries. An aerospace company used Twitter to highlight its cutting-edge technology, attracting the attention of industry experts and potential customers. A renewable energy company used Facebook to raise awareness about its sustainable activities and win the support of customers who care about the environment. A manufacturing company increased its brand visibility by posting live products on YouTube and increased sales through it. These real-life success stories depict how engineering companies can use social media to increase the visibility of their brand and communicate with a broader audience. Second, crafting the perfect social media marketing strategy for engineering companies. Crafting the perfect social media marketing strategies for engineering companies involves several essential components. Understanding the tastes and interests of engineering audiences is essential to creating content that resonates with them. It's crucial to balance technical knowledge and eye-catching imagery when creating content. To collaborate with thought leaders and influencers, one can increase their credibility and reach by working with reputable engineers. A successful strategy must be focused on creating content to meet audience requirements. Engineering firms should offer value, combining insightful educational pieces with visually appealing content that resonates with the target audience. Continuous interaction with thought leaders and influencers should be prioritized to build beneficial relationships and increase the company's influence among engineers. Third, reaching out to engineering prospects through social media. Using social media to reach engineering prospects calls for the following strategic measures. To provide webinars, Q&A sessions, and interactive content encourages deep ties. Specific forums, groups, and discussions bring engineering enthusiasts together. To increase conversion rates and engagement through precise audience targeting, an effective outreach strategy should have an emphasis on accurate targeting to ensure that the message appeals to potential customers. Engineering companies should use webinars and interactive sessions to demonstrate knowledge and engage prospects in deep conversations. Curating community spaces is an ongoing project that provides a forum for networking and information sharing. Fourth, measuring the impact of social media on engineering brand awareness. A strategic compass is necessary for navigating the spheres of social media's influence on building brand recognition. Engineering companies should set out on a path of insights and metrics to adequately assess this influence. It involves the following steps. It is crucial to use analytics to judge the success of social media initiatives. It is valid for the engineering industry that engagement and social media brand recognition correlate. Continuous marketing strategies are improved by using social media insights as feedback. Employing analytical tools and analytics should be a top priority for engineering companies looking to measure the impact of social media for engineering companies. Given the strong connection between engagement and brand recognition, nurturing genuine audience relationships is essential for engineering companies. After recognizing this relationship, some businesses will want to spend money creating connections that strengthen their brand's presence while broadening their reach. Genuine interaction turns consumers into brand evangelists, naturally increasing the brand's influence and elevating it to the industry leader position. Companies can continuously improve their marketing strategy by using social media analytics as a guide, creating a dynamic improvement loop. Top social media platforms. tailored for engineering companies. Top social media platforms for engineering companies offer numerous options. A deep dive into LinkedIn. The professional's choice, LinkedIn provides an extensive environment for engineering companies. They can create strong B2B connections using this platform, making sharing industry knowledge easier and encouraging networking among like-minded people. Its emphasis on professionalism and business-oriented participation fits the demands of the engineering industry excellently. The potential of platforms like Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Although LinkedIn's popularity is undeniable, engineering professionals should recognise alternative media. Fast industry insights are suited to Twitter's frequent updates. Instagram's solid visual capabilities present projects. Through videos, lessons and debates, YouTube hosts in-depth technical knowledge exchange that thrives on multimedia. Emerging platforms and their potential. Niche social platforms for engineers with particular expertise signal an evolutionary shift. By promoting connections, idea exchange and dialogues between like-minded people, they cater to specific requirements. As these platforms grow, they attract specialised audiences and encourage involvement that resonates strongly with the engineering field, creating a mutually beneficial connection. Aligning social media platforms with business objectives and audience preferences is essential. Every network offers a different way for users to interact with content. LinkedIn is great for developing business connections. Instagram is great for visual storytelling. YouTube is great for compiling in-depth knowledge. And Twitter is great for breaking news in your field. Engineering professionals can carefully adjust their presence to maximize impact across all engagement aspects by understanding each platform's subtle strengths. Strategic investment in platforms that resonate with the target audience ensures effective brand promotion and engagement. This strategy not only increases reach, but also enables the creation of custom content, cultivating a solid online identity and deep relationships. Pro tip: to gain specialized expertise, explore the services offered by Marketing Managed, Baker. Sixth conclusion: undoubtedly, social media marketing strategies for engineering companies significantly impact engineering brands' online presence. It is essential to embrace this force for radical change. Engineering companies should act decisively and develop personalized social media marketing strategies to exploit differences in brand promotion, relationship building, and innovation. Engineering brands may create an inspirational route to digital success, paved with confidence and effectiveness by utilizing the power of social media, propelling them to new levels of visibility, cooperation, and growth in an environment where digital interaction is crucial. Need to revamp your marketing strategy for your engineering company? Book an initial consultation and we can help you get back on track. Seventh, additional resources. Consider these helpful tools as you delve deeper into harnessing social media for engineering brands. Tools and performances. Explore a hand-picked list of platforms and tools helpful for engineering companies such as Hootsuite, Buffer, Canva, and LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Recommended readings. Read books like Social Media Marketing for Engineering and Scientists by Mike Slatz and LinkedIn for Engineering and Geoscientists by Daniel McClure. Case studies. Explore case studies like how Axon Rides launched their brand and got bikes in over 60 stores UK-wide through a combined social media marketing strategies for engineering companies, SEO, PPC, and real-world networking. Further insights. For additional information, visit Marketing Managed, which offers professional knowledge and insights